Okay, boys, actually, you know what? Let me open the front door. Hello, welcome to Kailani Gardens. Okay, I have the door closed. There's road noise, and then I wanted you to see. Why is it prison, Ricardo? This is like drug offenders and shoplifters. I mean, there's not crazy criminals over there, but across the street is what we call the prison, and that is a road that goes through to Kailani. So over here is parking. You actually have the very last spot. And then here's the walkway entering into the front door. So let me take you in here. Cork floors. Nice sized room. Sweet Faith, family and friends. How sweet is that? So over here is the yard. Looks like Trex decking out here. That's for the AC unit. You've got really beautiful West Valley Mountain view. Holy cow. So we've got this deck out here. Just trying to capture it for you. And then just like a little bit of yard there, but mostly just the Trex decking. And I am here at the worst time of the day. This is rush hour. Everybody that works in Wailuku is getting off of work. So it sounds pretty busy. Central AC, I was just trying to show this archway. I don't know if there's lights on or not. Oh, there are lights. Okay, here we go. So you've got a hallway going this way. And then in here is the last bedroom. So we got vaulted ceilings. It's a great price is the thing. Whoa, that's a helicopter. Helicopter was loud. We've got closet on both sides. Let me get some light on in here. We've got something going on this floor. What is that? Oh, it looks like something was spilled, but that is travertine. I don't even think it's ceramic tile. I think it's travertine. And this is Corian on the counter. And shower. Like they updated this. It needs a really good cleaning, like from a tile person, because this is real stone. But they did a nice job in there, and the shower door needs to be cleaned up. Probably the biggest thing for you, because this is, I mean, if this wasn't a short sale, I think it would be listed around, probably around 300. Looking at what's on the market, and you know, what happened was that she listed it at $250 and kept dropping the price to get an offer in front of the bank. And now, you know, it fell out. The market's going up, and because they had an offer in front of the bank for months. It's a really nice sized kitchen, actually, for condo. It's a full-on house kitchen. They had an offer in front of the bank for months, and then it fell apart. I don't know if it was financing or the buyer backed out. I didn't ask. Let me just turn it on. Oh, here's the end of the walkway where I was videotaping. Right there where my white Prius is your parking space. Actually, there's two. I think you get one that's covered too. And hi! And then bedroom number 3 over here. So anyway, they dropped the price just to try and get an offer in front of the bank. Oh, look at little Gabby's flowers I see on the window. Look how cute that is. But the chance of the bank taking it at $215 is probably slim to nothing. Just FYI, I'm just sharing that with you. And there's going to be competition. So if you want to make an offer, I would definitely come in higher. I would come in quite a bit higher, actually. So I think the biggest thing is there's road and the jail. And is that going to be too loud? For me personally, I'm not really worried about being across the street from the jail because if people are going to break out well, I don't know how they can break out, but if they broke out, why in the world would they go across the street? Like they're going to be looking for them, right? It just seems like that's the safest place to be. But again, that's just me. So here you go. I turned off the lights. Bye.